I'm Olivia, a custody advisor at Wall Street Prison Consultants. Today I'm going to explain the purpose of federal detention centers. Federal detention centers in the United States serve as holding facilities for individuals awaiting trial or sentencing on federal charges. These centers, unlike prisons, are not designed for long-term incarceration, but rather for temporary custody. The Federal Bureau of Prison operates federal detention centers in several major metropolitan areas in the U.S., with the primary purpose of federal detention centers being, number 1. Pretrial holding. The majority of individuals in federal detention centers are pretrial detainees. These individuals have been charged with federal crimes, but have not yet been tried or sentenced. The law presumes their innocence, and they are held because they are deemed a flight risk or a danger to the community. Number 2. Short-term sentences. Occasionally, federal detention centers house individuals serving short-term sentences, typically less than a year. Number 3. Transit. Detention centers also hold individuals in transit between facilities, or awaiting transfer to a federal prison after sentencing. Federal detention centers are operated by the Federal Bureau of Prisons, BOP, a division of the U.S. Department of Justice. Those held at federal detention centers are generally not referred to as inmates until they are sentenced, but as pretrial detainees and are in the legal custody of the U.S. Marshals Service. In federal districts where detention centers do not exist, U.S. Marshal detainees are housed in contract facilities such as county jails. Given that some detainees may be charged with serious offenses, security is paramount. Facilities are equipped with surveillance systems, secured perimeters, and trained correctional officers. Detainees are provided with meals, medical care, and access to recreational activities. Centers have infirmaries for basic medical needs and arrangements with local hospitals for emergencies. Detainees have rights to legal counsel. Facilities provide areas where detainees can meet with their attorneys and access legal resources, and many offer contact visits between pretrial detainees and their families. Like many components of the U.S. justice system, federal detention centers are not immune to controversy. Many facilities face overcrowding due to a backlog in the court system and an increase in federal arrests. Overcrowding can lead to health concerns, increased tensions, and limited access to resources. While federal standards exist, there have been reports and lawsuits over the years concerning the conditions in some detention centers. Concerns range from inadequate medical care to issues with food quality and sanitation. Notorious child molester Jeffrey Epstein allegedly killed himself at the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York in 2019, and Jewish Defense League leader Irv Rubin also allegedly killed himself at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Los Angeles. Though designed for short-term detainment, some individuals remain in these centers for extended periods due to delays in the court system or other administrative challenges. This extended stay can exacerbate mental and physical health issues. For more information on federal detention centers, you should consider hiring a prison consultant.